Hey everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs. I'm with the technology department here at Lexus of Jacksonville, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the kick sensor in this 2020 ES350. With that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, to start off here, we're going to go over to the gear icon in the very top right of the MID screen. And from here, we use the arrow buttons on the left side of the steering wheel to move all the way down to vehicle settings. And once you're in that vehicle settings menu, you'll notice we have the kick sensor option, and that is able to be toggled on and off. Before moving on, you can push this button to the left of the steering wheel to open up the trunk. Alright, so now that we're on the outside of the car, you'll notice that I kick in a straight line rather than waving my foot. If you do wave your foot, it will not pick up the motion. And here we've got the button to soft close the trunk. Alright everybody, that concludes today's video on the kick sensor in this 2020 ES350. Now the best way to see if your vehicle is equipped with a kick sensor or not is to go into the MID screen, go to the vehicle settings menu, and scroll all the way down to the bottom. If you have the kick sensor, you should see that option to turn it off or on. Thank you for watching. Oh hey there, you got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know.